Small business ideas that you can do on the comfort of your own home. So the first idea to your business and making money from your couch at home is create a clothing brand or creating custom clothing. For example, if you are a mom that you are at home and you want to find something that you want to sell, maybe you can create an online shop. It's really simple. You can go on YouTube and find a lot of tutorials where they can teach you how to create your e-commerce online. And then you create some clothing line for your kids, and other kids will see your kids at school, and your name will go around the school and you will make sales. And then you have your clothing brand that it's becoming a little bit famous in the school, and other moms will ask you about advices and other stuff. And if you are young, maybe you don't have kids to sponsor your clothing, the best tip is to just wear always your clothing and then post pictures on social media, tell people about your brand, tell people about your clothing. Maybe if you do some football t-shirt and you like football and you play football, you can tell about your friends and the soccer team around your house about your brand. The second stuff is sell manufacture. Now I am making a website for one of my clients, and this is a mom that creates some manufacture at home and then she sells that online. She don't have an e-commerce, she just have a normal website where she show other people their project, their works, so other people can contact and ask for products, ask for maybe they want some custom product and other stuff. But this is a really great idea, especially if you love a little work with hands and if you have creativity. The third tip, as you can see here, is YouTube. YouTube, you can do it from the comfort of your house, and you doesn't need to go and buy a $1,000 camera, create a studio or other stuff. You can simply take your phone and film yourself by sharing tips of something that you have learned during your life, or something that really make people watch your videos. Maybe you're funny, or you know some knowledge that other people don't know, or you have a passion towards sports or basketball, so you can speak about this on your channel. This, I know it will take a lot of time, but you will see that developing your personal brand is the best way to create a long-term business, and this is from home. Another thing that you can do around your passion, as fourth tip, is writing blog. You can create your blog on WordPress, create a simple, really simple website. You don't need to go fancy or hire people. You can create your own website and then you write the thing that you are most passionate about. For example, if you like cooking, you can create a blog where you share all your recipes and all your tutorial about cooking some type of foods. And then you can share it with your friends. You don't need to pay for advertising, drive traffic. You can simply share it around your community, around your friends, and maybe you can just join some clubs around your city that are around kitchen, and then you start make your name more famous, so more people will know about your blog and will see it. And the last point that is, I think, the best, because you can start making money today, just right now, it's called Fiverr.com. This is a website where people with skills go there and sell their skills to people that they need. For example, if I am good at Photoshop, I can go on Fiverr and create my account, and then I will explain all my services. And then people that need to edit picture on Photoshop, add filter and other stuff will contact me, or other people, but will contact me, and then they will ask me about the work and they pay me directly. Also, they pay me before I have done the work, so you have the security 100% that you have the money and the client will pay you. So I hope you enjoyed this video about ideas from home. If you have any question about it, just drop a comment below, because I have tried all of these and I know pretty much how they work. And if you need any tip about this, let me know in the comment. See you in the next video.